Hi guys. I know last week I didn't do any actual videos of my face and my body, so here I am. I still exist. I'm in our classroom. I thought it would be fun to come back to the classroom for this week so I could tape some videos so you guys can see how you usually see me writing up here, doing stuff on the whiteboard. So today we're going to talk a little bit about conjunctions. Now, conjunctions should be a review if you were in E1 with us and did Montessori as an E1er, but if you weren't, that's okay. We're going to go over them today. So conjunctions are this. It's our little pink ribbon. It ties things together. That's the function of a conjunction. It's going to tie things together. There's a fun YouTube video, conjunction, junction, what's your function? I'll send that link to you guys so you can watch that. So it's linking things together. That's what a conjunction does. If you were in E1, or maybe you've heard of this before, one of the common ways we remember conjunctions is this acronym FANBOYS. If you remember FANBOYS, those help you with some conjunctions. So the F stands for, A is and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Those are some of the most common conjunctions, and they're actually called coordinating conjunctions. So there's a couple different types of conjunctions. This week we're just going to focus on coordinating conjunctions. So these are coordinating, which pretty much just means what I said, they join things together. And usually they're joining nouns. So join nouns, they can join verbs. You can say I jumped and biked, so they can join nouns, verbs. They can join adjectives, so you can say he was small and furry. So they're going to join things together with these coordinating conjunctions. So what we're going to do this week is we're going to talk about, like we always talk about, how can grammar support our writing? So if you are writing a sentence and you have a conjunction, there's a couple different things you need to remember. So if you have two subjects of your sentence, so maybe it is my boys, we'll use them. So if I said Tommy and Mikey like trucks. They really like trucks right now. So the two nouns we have here are Tommy, Mikey, and our conjunction, if I can find my pink, is and. So it's joining two nouns. So this, we don't need any punctuation between our conjunctions. We just have Tommy and Mikey. They both like something, so like is my verb. And what do they like? They like trucks. Trucks is my noun. All right. Now, if I was using a subject and a verb, and then I had a different subject and a different verb, this is where the punctuation comes in. So I want you to pay attention here. This is something that happens commonly in writing, and you need a comma. So if I said, let's make sure I can still see in my video. Here we go. Okay, if I said, Tommy likes, he likes sweets, but Mikey doesn't. So if I say, Tommy likes sweets, but Mikey does not. All right, if I have that as my sentence, Tommy likes sweets, but Mikey does not. Where is my conjunction? Here's your list, what you're looking for. My conjunction is but. There's the conjunction. All right, so let's look at what we have here. We have one subject and one verb or predicate. Tommy liking something. Then over here we have another subject, or who or what the sentence is about, and another verb, does. So Tommy likes sweets, but Mikey does not. If we have a subject and a predicate, a subject and a verb, a conjunction, and then another subject and a verb, it's called a compound sentence. And when you have a compound sentence, you need a comma. This is super duper important. So when you're doing writing, if you have someone doing something, a conjunction, someone doing something else, you need to put a comma in between. Let's do one more. If I said something like, Lucy likes singing and Christine likes, are we gonna run off the screen here? Likes dancing. Lucy likes singing and Christine likes dancing. All right, here we have a subject, Lucy liking something. I used likes again. I shouldn't have used the same verb. If Lucy likes something over here and Christine likes something over here, we have a conjunction in the middle. We need to put what? A comma. Super important. We're going to add a comma. This is a compound sentence. This would be an example of a simple sentence. It has a compound subject, one predicate, no conjunctions. That's a simple sentence. We're going to go into that next week. Just as a heads up, that's coming. Simple sentences and compound sentences, compound subjects, compound predicates. We'll get into all of that. But what you need to know for this week, compound sentences have a subject, a predicate, a conjunction, a subject, and a predicate. And you need that comma in there. What I would like you to do is I would like you to use these coordinating conjunctions, and I want you to write, 7 sentences. Try to use each of the conjunctions. I would like you to use 7 different verbs, so don't do what I did here. Don't just do likes, likes, likes. Think about different verbs that can happen. And I would like you to try to do a simple sentence. So one subject, one verb with a conjunction. And then I'd like you to do a compound sentence. Subject, verb, conjunction, subject, verb. And try to use all the different conjunctions. So that would be a total of 7 sentences. 7 sentences, that'd be 14 sentences. All right, have fun.